Hello guys, welcome to Digital Nanny YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to discuss about HTML attributes. So in the last video, if you know that we discuss about what are tags, and also in this video I'm going to tell you one more thing, like what are elements. So basically what I told you about that, the tag, start tag and the end tag. So this whole combination, this title, or maybe this one body and this body and this h1 tag and this ending tag. So starting tag and ending tag comprises of one thing that is known as element in HTML. So this is your element, whole this is your element. Okay, so I'm sure that you now understand what are elements. So now you know that what is that exactly is elements. Now we are going to discuss about something called tags, something called attributes in HTML. So let me just tell you one. Let's write one a tag. You know, a tag is for making hyperlinks in HTML. So I'll just tell you what exactly is attributes. And basically attributes are part of element or maybe tags, you can say that. Okay, now I will what I will do is I will write this whole is an element, and this part, or maybe you can see this thing, the properties of the elements are known as attributes. So I will write over here HTTP, okay, as in www.google.com, okay, and I will write over here Google link. Now let me save, and I will show you this. So I don't want this. Okay, I will refresh. The file is different. I will just zoom the. Okay, so what happened is this whole. Okay, I will just make some changes. I will write h1 below is a element having tags. Sorry for writing like this. Okay, now let's refresh this page and see. Below is the HTML tag. So when I click this will open google.com. Okay, so I'm sure now you are clear of this particular attribute in the HTML element. Okay, now there are so many attributes to different elements of any HTML element. So I will write one more HTML element, remember, and this all are the attributes. Okay, so here I will put an image source. So let me just quickly Google images. I will go over here, I will go to image part, just pick a random image. Okay, I will just let me put this. Okay, I will go, okay, and copy link address, open image, new tab. Okay, I'll do that. I will put, it's too much big. I will go over here, I will check this one image into tag. Okay, I will just copy this. Okay, and let me just paste over here. Okay, now you can see that image will come on to our this page. See, this image has come. Now if you see that this image is too big, now using what are the benefits of having attributes? So having the benefit of attributes, we can resize this image using our attributes. Okay, now let me just go. As you see, the image is too big. You can write anywhere. Okay, I'll write over here width, I will put 100. Okay, height, I will put 100. Simple. Okay, now just see the magic. See, the size of the image is reduced using the attributes thing. So basically attributes, what does attribute thing? They put external properties to to the HTML element. Okay, now I'll put one more tag. I'll put alt tag, okay, to the image, and I will say Google image. So this also, as I told you, is an attribute. So yeah, so alt tag, what does it? Let's suppose when the image will not upload properly due to some issues, then this image will not load up, but it will show the alternate tag that this is your what do we say, this is your Google image. So we can put anything like that. Okay, now coming to one more tag, I will put, let's say, h1. You are aware of h1 tag, right? So heading, I will put heading 1. Okay, so in this I want to put one more attribute, and this attribute is of style attribute. Let me just put style, and I will put color is equal to red. Now you will see the heading would be red, or I will do one thing, I will just put same thing over here so that you know the difference. Okay, now let's see, this Google link will not, I will put something, Control X, I will put over here, because I want you to see the difference. So you have seen this, below is the element, this will come into red because we have need add an attribute and the color is red. Let me just refresh, see, it has become red. So you can make lots of attributes. Okay, so these kind of things you will know in future when you will be developing a full website. So there's something coming up in HTML element, something like this, you know that these all are called attributes. So I hope this is clear. So let me just revise you once again. Okay, this one is an HTML element. HTML element comprises of HTML tags, start tag and end tag, and tags can have attributes, or maybe you can say that elements can have attributes. The same thing, just you should need to understand the basic concept of this. So I hope this video is clear, hope you like it. If you like it, just please subscribe to my channel, give it a like, comment down, and we shall come in the next video. Unless, take care, goodbye, take care.